other people, they are doing BBL because they want to look good on social media. When you are posting on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, you want to get more likes. Guys, be natural on social media. Don't fake life, because most of the people, they are faking life for likes, because you are booking a hotel and you are faking your life like it's your house. What? No. Look at Maki Swapper. Look at her body. She came as she is, Maki Swapper, at social media, and people are following her. It's the most person who have got more followers than other people, than we are doing BBL because you want to look good. So sometimes, guys, don't fake life when you are doing social media. And people, they are going to love you as you are. You understand? So sometimes don't fake life. You are booking some of the hotels because you want to impress people on Instagram. Or people on Instagram, maybe they think that you have got money, you are booking hotels, you are shooting videos and photos, you are posting on Instagram. Sometimes you have to be who you are on social media. The real life, guys, Maki the Swapper came as she is. Look at her body, guys. Maki the Swapper, now, guys, she is getting more followers because of her body than other people who are faking. You are trying to fake your life because you want to impress people. Guys, do as you are. Guys, show you people your real life. Show people your real body. Look at Maki's body, guys. She is showing people her body. Guys, Maki's body is very funny. If you look at her body, if there is someone came and with Maki's body and other person who is doing BBL looking very beautiful, Maki is the one who is getting more followers. People on social media, you don't know. People, they want natural things because you want more likes, more views on Instagram. Because you are faking your life, you are faking your body because you want to impress people on social media. Yes, you are doing it. Most of the people nowadays, they are not doing it for men, guys. They are doing BBL because of social media, not for men. Because, guys, look at Maki. Even you are sleeping in, guys, in a cave or where, guys, post a video as like that. Most of the time we are paying people BBL because you are paying hotels because you want people to think maybe you are living a luxury life on Instagram. No, sometimes you have to show people your reality life. Is the way people, they came and like you, because you are showing people your reality.